This is a function of x where we're saying f of x equals x squared. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the first derivative of this function. When you see this, it means f prime of x, and f prime of x means the first derivative. We're going to see what goes in the position of this question mark. So let's go on to the next slide and show how to solve this. Solving this will require us having a knowledge of the following rule, which says if the f of x equals x to a power n, then the derivative f prime equals nx n to the minus 1. In other words, this n is brought to here, and then if you consider this, you can see the n, which is the power that was shown here, is reduced by 1. And we know this is f prime because of this little symbol here. So we can start off by saying the f of x equals x squared. Onto the next line we will say f prime of x equals, we bring the power down, which is the 2, and from the x we subtract 1. We can go on to say the f prime of x is 2x, and of course this will be raised to the power 1. The next step will change the x to the 1 to x, and we end up saying that for f of x equals x squared, f prime equals 2x. So in summary, we can see we've brought this 2 to this position. From the power, you can see we then subtracted 1. And of course, 2 minus 1 is 1. And x to the power 1 is the same as x. So we ended up with this here. For f of x equals x squared, f prime of x, which is the first derivative, equals 2x.